Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin all triggered new green monthly trade triangles this week, signaling a move to a long-term uptrend. And the move higher was on the back of historic and a surprising gain in U.S. jobs that raised hopes that the economy is starting to recover from the coronavirus pandemic. We'll start with the S&P 500 chart. As you can see, we got a new green monthly trade triangle today at 3,136.72. The S&P 500 trading up 2.7% on the day, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100, indicating that we are now in a long-term uptrend and we're getting close to the levels that we were before the pandemic took a hold of the stock market. Take a look at a weekly chart here. As you can see, we're up a little over 5% on the week, trading at 3,198.17. Key level to watch will be 2,913.86. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the dollar index, suffering its third straight week of losses, currently down 1.3% on the week, trading close to the 96 level, with a chart analysis score negative 60, indicating that we're in a sidelines position right now. Key level to watch would be 141. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones triggering a new green monthly trade triangle as well. We'll move back to a daily chart here. You can see triggering it at 27,102.34, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the Dow Jones now. Currently up about 864 points, had been over 1,000 points higher earlier in trading today. Weekly chart up right now about 6.9% on the week. And our key level to watch should be 24,059.98. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. Nasdaq not gaining nearly as much as the Dow and the S&P 500 this week, only up 3.4%, but did issue a monthly trade triangle on the first at 9,523.64, pushing that chart analysis score to plus 100, indicating we are now in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq as well. Key level to watch would be 9,144.28. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Crude oil continuing to move higher with its sixth straight week of gains, with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we are in a short-term uptrend and an intermediate uptrend for the crude oil, trading at 39.60, up right now 12% on the week. Key level to watch will be 36.45. Move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for crude oil. On the flip side of the coin, we have gold suffering its third straight week of losses, right now down 3.4% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating we are now in a short-term short position for crude or for gold. We'll take a look at a daily chart. You see we got a new red weekly trade triangle right here at 1,705 on the 3rd, so 2 days ago. Key level to watch would be 1,723.20. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin right here. Currently down a little bit on the day, but on the week we did get a new green monthly trade triangle on the first at 10,074, a level I had been giving you that we've been looking out for. Chart analysis score is now plus 85, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. I'll change this to a weekly chart. Second straight week of gains, only modest though, up about 0.9 of a point right now, trading at 9,731.89. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. I'll be back next week to give you a market update.